क्या तुमने कभी रिवर्स प्रॉक्सी के बारे में सुना है एंड तुम्हें ये टर्म समझ में नहीं आया हो? सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दैट. ओके, so in your college when you have some request, okay, for a specific department, so instead of going to the specific department, what you do, you go to the receptionist and submit your request there. Now it's responsibility of the receptionist to take your request forward to the specific department and get the response from there, and then receptionist provide the response back to you. Okay, so here your reception is your reverse proxy, and whatever the departments we are talking about, it's your backend servers. Okay, so that's the similar thing we can see in this diagram as well. So you can see multiple device from where request is coming, which we can call it as a client. Okay, then the request is going to the reverse proxy. Okay, first from reverse proxy request is being sent to the multiple servers. Okay, now you can consider reverse proxy as a component which sits in front of your backend applications or the backend servers. Okay, and it receives the traffic from the client and distribute the traffic across the multiple servers. So that on a high level, that's the job of reverse proxy. Okay, let's see why we use reverse proxy. So there are few advantages of using reverse proxy. First one is security. So whatever the request coming from the client is connecting to reverse proxy, not to the backend servers directly, right? So internal architecture of backend servers are hidden from the client. Okay, the second thing is when it comes to load balancing, reverse proxy also helps in balancing the request. So when multiple request comes from the client to the reverse proxy distribute the traffic across the multiple servers. Okay, so it also act as a load balancer. You can also cache the repeated request at the reverse proxy layer to serve the client faster. Okay, and reverse proxy also act as a central entry point for your applications or the backend servers. So it act as a gateway for the client who want to access the servers, right? Now there are several tools in the market which actually uses this reverse proxy mechanism. Nginx, HA proxy or AWS Elastic Load Balancers are few of them. Okay, there are few applications also in the real world which uses this reverse proxy mechanism, like YouTube, Instagram, Netflix. So these all applications uses reverse proxy as of today. Okay,